Um, Storage traditionally hasn't really changed for 20 years. We've added a few things, thin provisioning, tiering, deduplication, but it's not really been a revolution in the storage. So what smart storage is storage that sees, learns and adapts. So what we mean by that is with a Tintri device, you literally plug it in and within a few minutes, it's seeing all of the virtual machines. You use vMotion to move it over, and then you can see what's going on in the environment. So none of this finger pointing from the storage to the server to the networks. You can see the whole stack. So a lot of our customers come to Tintri, our Tintri GUI, before they go anywhere else, because they can see exactly what's going on and where the issues would be. Really, everything else is old wine in new bottles. Okay, so it's the same stuff, just with a bit more performance on it. But there was no real smarts in there. There was no real intelligence. So if you think what Tintri brings to it is that intelligence behind it. We can tell you exactly what's going on a per virtual machine basis. So if you imagine you might have 500 virtual machines or virtual desktops. Most storage is just a big bucket. What it is with Tintri is we can give you quality of service on every virtual machine. So every application, whether it's a database, whatever you're running on that virtual machine, they're like 500 motorways, all independent. None of them actually interfere with each other, so you don't get what we call the noisy neighbor syndrome. So we can give a customer or a cloud provider quality of service on every virtual machine. So I guess one of the things that we've seen around that is the advent of Flash. So we use Flash as a component, but it's not the smarts in what we do. It just allows us to do things around performance. So we're all about the visibility and the ease of use. So what's really made the change is that advent with Flash. That's been the enabler to get things moving for Tintri. And we've seen phenomenal growth. We've also seen our customer base is from a very small company where perhaps the virtualization guy and the storage guy is the same person. So there's no finger pointing going on there. They want to actually see what's going on, right up to enterprise organizations, large car manufacturers, banks, all sorts of large engineering or financial organizations will use Tintri. So many, if you look through the storage, personally I've been in the storage industry for 20 years, so I've seen lots of different evolutions going forward. But if you look at the change in the server world has been virtualization. The change in the storage world has been Flash. So Flash has helped us do things quicker. However, it hasn't solved the issue around visibility and therefore troubleshooting what's going on in the environment. So the big issue today is a lot of the times we're doing the wrong thing faster. So what Tintri does is actually give you that visibility immediately. So we see, learn and adapt for our customers. So the feedback from our customers, if you look at our website, you look at the case studies and quotes for our customer, in my time in storage, I've never seen a customer reaction so positive to what we do for their day-to-day life and from a financial savings perspective than we get with Tintri.